Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you 3 new features on Instagram that you should definitely start using. Let's get straight into it. The first one is something really fun when you are sending voice messages. Open Instagram and go to your DMs. Now open any chat and instead of typing, tap the microphone icon to record a voice message. Before sending it, you'll now see new voice effects you can apply. You can choose things like Chipmunk, Demon, Robot, Alien, Stadium, and many others. Just tap on any effect, preview it, and then send it. Now, here is something important. These voice effects don't always show up for everyone. Sometimes you will see them, and later they might disappear. That's because Instagram often tests features, rolls them out gradually, or even removes them temporarily. So if you don't see them or they disappear, it's completely normal. Now, the second feature is for watching reels. Open any reel and look at the right side of the screen. Tap on the 3 dots just under the share icon. Here, you'll now see a new option called Auto Scroll. Turn it on, and once the reel finishes, Instagram will automatically move to the next one for you. So you don't have to keep swiping every time. It makes watching reels way smoother and kind of addictive, honestly. And the third feature is playback speed for reels. While watching a reel, just tap the 3 dots again, and now you can choose different speeds. You've got 0.5x if you want to slow things down, 1x which is normal, 2x, and even 3x if you want to speed through content quickly. This is super useful depending on what you're watching. Now, one last thing you should know. New features on Instagram don't arrive to everyone at the same time. It depends on things like your region, your app version, and sometimes even testing groups that Instagram selects. So if you don't see one of these features yet, make sure your app is updated and just give it some time. They usually roll out slowly. And that's it for today. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.